We're at Innovation House today with one of our partners, Invision, where we've been delivering some very specific training for them, and we wish them all well in the future. While we're here, we're making use of their brilliant cinema room. If you haven't seen it and you want to pop along and see what kind of technology they can offer for a very smart home, please do get in contact with Invision. Follow me, Jake, while we go into their lovely cinema room. This is kind of a bit like your room, isn't it, Jake? Bit like going to your house,
yeah, exactly the same, I'd say.
So we go into this lovely lit room with very, very high-end, modern, luxurious room that we're in now. Look at this lovely space. As you can see, let me just close this door. There is a reason why I'm closing this door, and the reason being is this is a completely soundproof room. So when you can see, as I close the door, the whole ambience of the room change, if that makes sense. Reason being is it is a smart cinema room. You can see these lovely adjustable unique furnitures, and you can see I can sit down with my illuminated cup holder, and this is all something that Invision as a company can help you with. So I can take a lovely, oh, I'm doing your one, sorry Jake. Yeah, oh god, that's luxurious, isn't it? So anything from a really laid down, oh god, I think I might just stay here, Jake. Yeah, and we've got like cup holders. They can do all of this for you from, God, this is very luxurious. I don't know if I want to get up, Jake. So this is a very typical home cinema setup. And of course, this is all customizable to your taste. Now,
carpets? Those are the carpets.
I'll get onto that in a minute.
Right.
So customizable furniture, so you can have any furniture layout in any color combination. You can see here we've got very high-end, luxurious velvet finish to the sort of quilted.
Oh, I didn't notice.
See, there's a different kind of layout up there. Similar illuminated cup holders, trays, etc. You've got the ultra 4K, the ultra high definition 4K projector, which goes onto this backdrop. So this is actually, Jake, this is really interesting. This isn't a screen, it's actually a fabric screen.
What?
So it's fabric. Look, it's made up of fabric. So they stretch this across a frame to produce the actual screen, and then there's a projector up there. Obviously, there's a lot of money's worth of equipment in here. So that projector then goes onto the screen, and then you can choose anything from your movie, your series, even a PlayStation or Xbox. Other game stations are available on this. This is a typical, like a kaleidoscope setup where they put the kaleidoscope with all these different films on, and you pay for like a monthly, yearly package to have all this stuff broadcast through that projector. Really customizable to your taste. You can see here, Jake, if you look at going about carpets, look how luxurious this carpet is. Really, really thick.
I've never been so comfortable.
Isn't it nice? Yeah. Again, all customizable. Again, the carpet adds to the sound deadening properties, because what you want in a room like this is the audio. So the home cinema system, the audio system in here is very, very high end. But of course, to get the maximum benefit and effect, hi Pears, the maximum benefit and effect, you really need to make the room almost like a deadened sound box. So you get the most from there's a lot of calculations they use, like refraction, etc., and where the speakers are placed. But again, using the sound deadening equipment, it has two benefits. One, it maximizes that quality of sound that you get as an experience in the room, and obviously it stops the sound going out of the room, which is in dead space effectively. So inside the room you could play this loud TV, movie, whatever, have all your friends round and have such an immersive experience. And it's difficult to put.
Who has this kind of room?
So footballers, you know, like heads of state, you know,
Dave.
and Jake, yeah, you know, anyone that really wants to immerse himself in an experience like this, you can spend anything from. Look at that.
There's the different kind of.
Hang on. This is my video. This is my video. So you can see the different selection of. This is one of the brands they work with. It's lovely, isn't it?
It's better than what I've got at
Oh,
home.
Pez, come on now.
Oh, there's more, is there?
Yeah, but like literally, you can just choose your colour scheme. Look at this. Put them out. It's like a market store, isn't it? It's like going to Carpetright.
Oh, and there's the carpet as well.
Yeah.
Other carpet pieces are available.
Full solution.
And look, and then obviously you have the LED highlight, the LED strips that highlight it, all colour changeable, so you can set the tone and mood of your room depending on, you know, what that flavour is. You can also have the LED strips interactive, so they can actually go with the movie if you wanted to. Now it might be a bit odd, but if you've got an action movie, you could have them change colour to add effect and the experience.
Control.
So the remote control. So again, going back to the wall, if you see this door, that's why I closed it. It makes such a difference when you close the door. Nothing reverberates. You see the sound is like dead in here. It's not bouncing or reverberating off any of the walls. You can see it's like a sound deadening material. So there's a frame. Again, look at that. It's not even a wall. It's fabric. So they build the wall, they build the sound deadening properties into it. So behind there, depending on the material they've used, some people use like the deadening foam, and it's like a cone-shaped foam, like an egg box effectively, that they fill. Other materials are available. And then they put this lovely fabric over it. And again, if you just look up there, it's difficult. But
I've never seen Dave this passionate.
I love it. If you come up
Not getting
here,
one for
you can
free.
see obviously the projector up there, which is projecting onto that fabric screen, and above the ceiling, again, fabric, we've got adjustable downlighters, and they can be set from the remote control, which I'll show you in a minute. But also, all of the speakers are held above.
I've gone straight
So
to
they're
remote
hidden.
control.
So they're hidden. All the speakers are hidden. So it's a very comfortable experience, but the sound that comes down from those speakers is unbelievable. This is a typical smart home control. This is a RTI controls, one of the brands from a smart home perspective that the guys.
Do you know how to use that remote control?
Yes,
No,
but
you don't.
it's on the kaleidoscope setting.
That's really
What I
easy.
don't want to do is really affect it. So you can see their speaker lights. So if I put the speaker lights, you can
Oh,
see above
hello.
it. You can see the speakers and the sound deadening foam that I talked about earlier.
That was a guess.
No, I knew. I've been here before, mate. Look, and you can see the speakers in the wall there. Can you see that?
Yeah, that is actually.
Like, and you can see
cool.
against the wall, you can see all of the
Yeah,
different speakers, and the ceiling speakers above there with the sound reflective and deadening material they've used.
Press the button, Dave.
House lights, and again, all these come on. Lights off, so when you're watching a movie, we're turning the lights off.
Yeah.
Isn't it good? And then obviously,
Isn't it good? Yeah, it is.
full remote control through their partner RTI, and again, a very robust smart home control. And again, Invision specialise in smart home control, from smart home cinemas like this to all your connected systems in your house, whether it's lights, blinds, ventilation, windows, CCTV, intruder, security, all these things, audio, Wi-Fi, all these things you want to put together to create a smart home. Invision do all of this as a complete package and support their customers fully, as you would expect.
So how do our customers get to visit this room?
So first thing is you can either get in contact with DVS and we'll put you in contact with the guys at Invision. If not, if you know Invision, do contact them directly. They will more than happily bring you here and show you their connected systems in this cinema room and how powerful and how they can tailor make this to your exact need. When you're in Innovation House, you can make use and see all of the other lovely devices here. So all of the UCNC, so the unified comms, the AV, the screens, LED, CCTV even from us in intercom systems.
Okay.
And Pez, you can see all of these different systems in their full glory. Innovation House is one of the best display and marketing tools. It's so cool here. How would you sum it up, Jake? Innovation House.
It is pretty cool.
It is pretty cool, right?
It's pretty.
Isn't it pretty cool?
Mental, actually, it's like. Didn't you say it's like a museum, Pez?
Yeah.
I hope they can pick me up.
It's
With
like
Mike's there. But
yeah, it will pick you up.
It's ridiculous.
It is like a museum for technology, right?
Yeah.
So you can walk around as an experience and see all of these different technologies, and you can handpick which one you want to offer to your customers or for your experience. But again, if there's one place in this whole of Innovation House that you need to come, it's in here.
Do you think the staff at Innovation House come in here and just chill out?
Yep, they do. Look, so I can from
Look, he's controlling it.
so I can control it with the thing. So if I want to watch The Greatest Showman, if I pray though, that we'll get done by YouTube, won't we? Will we get done by YouTube?
Yeah, we don't put anything. Yeah.
Yeah. So we
We're not
can't.
going to play anything.
No. So if we press this, you would see one of these start, and you'd get
Here's
the.
the Greatest Showman here. This is the greatest.
Thank you.
Right, can we wrap it up now, Dave?
And that's
Come
it. So get in contact with DVS or Invision about Innovation House, two of the same words there, and see what those guys can do for you. But again, do come and check this place out. The sound in this place is phenomenal. Thank you for watching.
on. Last words.
Thanks for watching.
Well, thank you very much. Cheers, guys.